Up tonight.
A lot going on Fox Cricket. Australia A currently 4 for 200 as that match against India comes to its conclusion. Alex Carey made 58 and Ben McDermott out of the Canes is doing really well on 82 not out. But now we turn our attention to this game.
The KFC BBL actively promotes diversity and inclusion.
Players just taking some time out.
Try for the LB first up, Howie. In swinging into the front pad.
Edged and a run away. Always lightning quick. That's out. Sure is. First ball.
Generally when it does, you see the ball raceway.
Bit of width. Thick outside edge. Dutchy Holland will just trail in behind that one. Realms of baseball. It's an on-pace delivery. Little edge, that's the end of innings. That really did take off from the pitch. That should be out. Oh, Webster gets through his hands. Runs through the stumps. Everything goes wrong. It was a lovely chap. That's struck away nicely. Looks to go after him and does go after him. First maximum. Yep. Reversing this time and playing it nicely. Lapping around the corner, so a positive finish. It's a good shot from Hughes. A really good shot from Dan Hughes. Might have got that into the gap. He has. Oh, that's a nice hit. Taken in the dugout. It's his second. That's good from Hughes. Sounded really sweet off the bat.
In pace. Oh, lovely shot. Punched away, and that will go for 4.
Bowler bouncer. It's all about the height and also gone. So power surges worked for the bowling team.
Just lofts it. Times the ball. Really nice shot.
Good batting.
Big Bo's got some work to do there.
We've got 12 off that one so far.
He's up to 76. Silk on strike. Second of the surge overs. Once you get it through the ring here at Hobart, it's very hard to chase down. That's hit hard. Save your legs there.
No worries with Jordan Silk coming in and hitting boundaries.
Same area, same result. This is starting to get away now. 4-4.
Oh, and again,
4 in a row.
Big Carlos coming in. Jordan Silk's doing more than enough. 17 off 5. He's
5 boundaries in the over to Jordan Silk. He moves along to 21 from 7, striking at an even 300. So Philippe, his 86 is the highest score for a sixer. He's got that into the gap as well. Oh, over pitched. You can't do that to this young man. That's up onto the hill. That might be above the waist as well. We'll have a look.
To wide.
Falls over into the boundary. 92.
Way to build an innings.
Silk gets it really, really high.
Oh, it's on the roof.
That is an enormous hit from Jordan Silk.
Hey.
He's got 4 more here, Jordan Silk. Oh, right back at Richardson. Out! He goes, Cow. Cow it is!
Shot on the board.
Ooh. That'll be 4 more. Finch did his best. Silk's been explosive. Great little cameo. Oh, that's the way it's happened over the last 10 overs for the Renegades. They've had their problems. The Sydney Sixers blast their way. Oh, and here come the Sixers.
just bringing their step after posting 205.
50th wicket.
Oh, lovely Restart, stop. Yes, Silky!
Nice bit of age in the...
Boundary for Finch. Yep. Just a slight bit of shape there from Sandy, but Finch just eased it through the point region. Finch is gone.
Fitness, match fitness.
Harper skews it away off the outside of the bat. Second wicket falls. Good catch. Slashed straight to the man. Big Carlos snaffles it. It's power from Marsh. Oh, they dropped one. Doesn't know where it is. Carlos. That edged. And the catch is taken by Philippe. He's having a good night.
Yeah!
Bowled. Middle stump. O'Keefe to bat tonight. That distinctive arm action. Run out's the call. They might get overthrows. They do. 4 of them. They need them. Another one goes. Brathwaite, what's he got for us? He's got a wicket.
Here we go.
Don't go anywhere.
Come on, rolling poly,
Stay
something.
with him. Stay with him, Carlos. Here we go. Here we go. I'm not sure what it is, but I like it.
Come on, he says. Not another.
Shouts of catch it.
Get up.
Oh, look at this man. Jordan Silk, of course it is. He's celebrating as well. Had some Indigenous artwork on it.
Catch! Yeah!
Oh, there's another one. Sandu takes the catch.
Yeah!
Oh, no! 9 for 43. Oh, it's a good hit from Kane Richardson. That 6 will mean the Renegades don't get the lowest score ever. She's going to bounce back onto the ground.
That's enough.
That is it. The Sydney Sixers have absolutely destroyed.
It's a massive win. 145 runs. They managed their way to get to 60. They'll be disappointed. They'll be hurt. They'll be embarrassed as well, I reckon.
Sixers led by Philippe, 95, just 5 short of being the first Sixer to score 100. Silk